In today's video, I'll guide you through on how you can print in multiple colors in Anycubic Slicer. So first things first, I'm going to open up an empty project and I'm going to import a very simple shape, which is going to be a cube. Now let's apply multiple colors into this simple shape right here. So the first thing that you actually want to do if this is your first time navigating through Anycubic Slicer is to navigate through filters. So from here, there's multiple filters that is basically on my Anycubic Slicer. And if you want to add more, you could just click on the plus icon. And then you want to click on the color icon that basically enables you to select any type of color that you want. In here, you have the U selection. And then, of course, you could select any color that you want to. Click OK. And from there, you should be good to go. Now, to apply these colors onto our shape, you actually want to click on the shape right here. You could right click on it, click on the edit color option or change filament, and you could change it to the color of filament that you want to apply it to. But if you want to manually paint it right here, you could also click on the color painting option. In here, let's do something like red. You could select the tool type. Of course, you have a bucket tool just to make things a lot easier. You could also edit out the pen size if you want to, and so on and so forth. In my case, I'm just going to make this extremely simple. Let's do something like this one, and lastly, let's draw a smiley face. From there, I'm also going to draw out some hair just to add more details. And of course, let's also go ahead and put some pupil on our model right here. Now, I'm basically fine with this one. So all I have to do is to slice the plate option. And from there, you are basically good to go. Now, you also have to make sure that it is aligned with your prime tower right here. So you want to go ahead and move it aside, slice plate, and basically here we have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.